Hey everyone, I'm Andrew, and this is Tech Check. In today's video, I'll be unboxing something I picked up for my Lego Technic ZR1 right here, and that happens to be the Lightailing LED kit for this exact Lego model. So looking at the box, it does come wrapped in little plastic, which it's okay, I'll rip that off in a second. But the box itself is black cardboard with the Lightailing logo and name right at the top left there. And it says what it is, the Lightailing LED kit, bringing shine to your world. Then it has an image of the item that the kit is for, what it looks like lit up, as well as the item number and the model that it's for. The bottom left here tells you that it's got the LED light kit, a battery box, and an installation guide. Then in the bottom right, you have their website, thelightailing.com. But that's about it for the front. Let's look at the other sides. So this side just has Lightailing on it. This side just has warning, choking hazards, small parts. The opposite side, just a barcode. So let's take a quick look at the back. On the back, as you can see, it has all these quality control, recycling, whatever logos. And it has, of course, the Lightailing website again. Thank you so much for your order and support. Lightailing specializes in manufacturing high-quality lighting kit toys. We are committed to provide best service for all Lego fan around the world. Okay, so it's not the best English, but that's alright. Make your Lego unique with your rich imagination and creativity. Light up your Lego brick and bring it new vitality. Any question, please feel free to contact us. Email, and then their company name and company ad. But that's about it for the box, so how about we remove this packaging and check out what comes inside. So once again, to do this unboxing, I'm going to use my blue unboxing knife that I picked up at the most recent Black Friday sale. And I'm just going to start by cutting these edges right here, in between where there's a little crease, just so I can get this plastic off easily, without damaging the box. Alright, so that came right off, fairly simple. Let's see if we get rid of that. What else? Is there anything else keeping it closed? Yeah, seems to be one little piece of tape right there. So how about we just get our blade right inside there and cut that tape. Tape's gone. Now should be easy, ready to open. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so right on top here, it says light in a little sealed plastic package. The Lightailing logo giving your bricks new vitality, bringing shine to your world. Lighting accessories kit. So I'm guessing this is probably your manuals and everything. We'll open that up in a second. Then you have the rest of the stuff in this box packaged in this little bubble wrap. But we get rid of the box and check and see what's inside this bubble wrap. So if we just pull these packages out, you have, okay, so this seems to be the USB lighting kit that would replace certain bricks on here. As you can see, those are the red would be the rear lights. I think this is your interior light, and those little gray ones might be for the front lights. Then you have right here, I'm believing this is the USB battery box. So this is what you would put your batteries in. So I guess we're just going to have to open these up and check them out. So before I open the other packages, let's quickly go over the accessory kit and manuals, just so I know exactly what I'm getting myself into here. Got rid of that package, and here we go. A lighting accessories kit. Warning, power should be less than 5 volts. It's very helpful to the light. So just some warnings. Before installation, please prepare tweezers and have a test of the light to make sure all can light up. If the lights do not work, please contact us. Okay. LED lights damage easily. Please take care. Okay, so just some general instructions on how to take care before assembling and while assembling. Remove the side of the street light. Okay, so yeah, stuff you may want to check that out before getting started. Then what's this right here? Lightailing. Yes, lighting. What's on the back? No lighting. Oh. Alright, so he's happy and he's sad, that's cool. So what is this part right here? This is the English, happy with your own creation of a light show. We have some tips, so they want you to take a picture and post it and let them know. Scan the code, get a $5 voucher. Okay, so that's pretty neat. Asian languages. All right, that's about it for that package. Now this last one right here should be the actual manual. Tells you the item number there. You got Lightailing up in the corner, and then light up your Technic Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, model 42093, and that's what I have. And as you can see, you have all the, okay, so full color instructions, letting you know step by step. Before installation, please have a test of the light, okay. So yes, this is a lot more detailed than I expected it to be. I think I'm gonna have to put this together today. So it shows you which parts have to be taken apart, where you can run the wires, where to place the lights. Okay, that's pretty neat. And then at the back, congratulations, it's been installed. We would greatly appreciate if you give us feedback. Awesome. So this is everything that's come in the manual accessories kit. I guess it's time to open these packages and take a closer look at the items themselves. So to open these packages, I actually thought you had to cut the top, but it seems like you don't have to. They are already separated, so we're just going to try and pull these pieces apart and see if we can't get into it. First things first, we're going to look at the LED package. That seems to be everything that came in the package. Tied up with a little twist tie there. So yeah, I'm recognizing these red lights here basically would go on the back of the car for the brake lights, if you can see, right up here and here. So that's pretty neat. Then from what I've seen in other videos, this goes just underneath the top right here for an interior light. Has double-sided tape on it, so that's pretty cool. And then I'm guessing these little front gray push pin thingies go right in here to light up the front here, I think. So I'm gonna have to check that out. But that's everything that came in this package. Oh, is there another? Yep. So how about we check out what's in this package, which is just a battery box, but we can take a look at it. There we go. So package is empty now. Throw that to the side. Oh, look at the kink they put in that USB wire. Hopefully it all works good. Like they said, make sure to test it first. But this is the battery box. Looks like there's a little screw hole if you want to screw it closed. Yep. And it takes 3 AA batteries, I'm guessing. It looks like, yeah, size AA 1.5 volt batteries. And on the back there's your on and off switch. So not sure where they're going to want me to mount this, or if it just stays outside. I'm guessing so it just plugs into this, but I'm going to have to get a few batteries before I can test it. But that's everything that comes in the package and box with the Lightailing LED kit for Lego's Technic ZR1 Corvette building kit. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of the Lightailing LED kit for the Technic Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 model 42093 Lego kit. I'm going to have to get this installed fairly quickly, and maybe at the end of this video I can put a little quick image of what it looks like lit up. But as I said, that's it for this unboxing. And if you're interested in picking one of these up or learning more about Lightailing and their products, I'll have some links posted in the description below where you can do just that. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.